Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got a review to do. This company reached out to me through my email and asked if I would be interested in doing a video on their products. And I said yes. So this is by a company, and it's right here. It's called, I hope I'm saying this right, Charteks. Now this is what they sent me. I didn't pick what I wanted or anything. This is just something they sent me. Now I am going to say I have not opened this, but this did come to me in a, I'm going to say Amazon bubble mailer. And this is how it came out of the box. It was smashed. It's ripped open. So I don't know if this, I don't know. It's pretty beat up. So I hope everything is in it. I'm sure that it is. But they might want to, since this is a soft packaging, they might want to make, I don't know. But anyway, it was kind of beat up. The mailer itself was fine. But this, I don't know. I don't know if this was done in, maybe whoever bagged it, ripped it, and just shoved it in the bag anyway. I don't know. So this is what they sent me. Now this company, they do have a website. I will put all the links in my description box. Now they do have other projects, not just this. This is what they call paint by numbers. But from the looks of it, it's going to be similar to diamond painting. So we're going to look at it. It says it has 36 sheets, diamond stickers. It has the warning. This one is called Animal Babies. Says diamonds prearranged neatly on base film, easier to pick and stick. No exposed adhesive surface. Neat for both play and storage, and reusable lifetime adhesive clay. And then on the back, it has all their info. Okay, so let's open this up because I'm excited to see what exactly this is. Okay, all right, so that's all that is in there. So this is how it comes. So this is pretty neat. I'm excited to try this. All right. So, again, like I said, they do have different types of projects. They have got like paint pouring. I seen some kind of stickers. They just have all kinds of stuff. You just have to go check them out. So it looks like we have got instructions. So basically we have got some putty. So we're going to stick this in the putty, and then that way we can pull those off and then just stick it. So let me just kind of get these. This is an A. All right. And we have, you can see that these are, they feel just like diamonds for diamond painting. They're just on a sticky sheet. And these are going to have they're on this clear plastic adhesive stuff. And it's going to have a letter or a number on here that you're going to be able to see. Because y'all can see these. All right. So what we're going to be doing is you have got your canvas, which is basically just a piece of cardboard. But this looks like it's about an 8 by 10. So when I get this finished, if I wanted to put this in a frame, I think I could put this in an 8 by 10. All right, let's try this. This is interesting. So we're just going to put that right down in that putty. I hope this putty's good. And then if it is, I'll definitely be using it for my diamond painting. All right. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but on the canvas, it has got all of your letters, your numbers, all of that. This is not sticky. So it's almost like reverse diamond painting. Instead of the sticky being on here and you having bags of drills, the sticky is on the drill and you're just going to place it on the cardboard. So it's pretty cool. So let's see. The first number is a 3. So we're just going to find the 3s. All right, so here's the 3. So you're just going to take this and you're just going to pull it off. Yeah. And then you just stick it over. Okay. Am I not doing this right? Oh. It's like a glue dot on the back of it. Can y'all see that where I accidentally stuck that on there? Y'all see that right there? It's like a glue dot on the back of the drill. So you have to take it off and put it on there. And then look, it'll stick. Okay. Neat concept. I think this, I mean, it's easy enough. And let's face it, you don't have to have any containers or, you know, you don't have to kit up. They're right here. This almost puts me in mind of pixel art. And if y'all have ever done pixel art, it's little tiny plastic rubbery pixel things, and they're on these little sheets, but kind of different anyway. If you've ever done pixel art, you know what I'm talking about. So all you have to do, you could just throw these in a baggie, like one baggie. And if you don't use all of them, then you don't really have to have a whole lot of a storage for if you wanted to keep your leftovers. You just throw them in a bag or an envelope even. You could throw them in an envelope and yeah. So this is pretty neat. And I'm very curious as to what picture this is. Because I can see it. I think it's a dog. I think it's the dog. But it's almost like a mystery. So this is going to be pretty neat. So do y'all see how I'm doing that? But I will say, if you stick that on here, you best make sure you got it on the right one. Because when you go to pull it off, it's the glue's not going to come with the drill. So it makes it unusable unless you just use a dab of glue on there. So now that's just a normal diamond painting drill. I like it. I do. So I will leave the link to this company and to the project in my description box, and y'all can go check this out. I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me to do a review on my channel to everyone. I like it. I do. I would buy more of these because, again, if I don't finish this, I don't have to worry about this getting stuff all over it because it's not sticky. And I can just throw these all back in the box. And then that's the only thing I got to store is this box. So this is pretty neat. And y'all, I probably won't even use any more of this because, I mean, that's really all you got to do is load your pen. Probably don't even need all of this. But that's cool because I'll keep it and I'll use it for my diamond painting because I like putty. All right, so I want to say thank you again to Charteks for sending this to me for review. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. And let me know in the comments, have y'all done these before? Have you heard of this company before, Charteks? Pretty neat. Pretty neat. All right. Thank you for watching. Make sure you do all the YouTubey things. Leave me a comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.